The main interface of Zeta, a specialized door and window software, comprises two core function menus. The first is Routine Works, primarily designed for window type drafting and quotation review. The second is Project Production, focusing on production data statistics and 3D report visualization. The left pane houses all drawing tools required for window design. The central area serves as the drawing panel for designing and modifying window profiles, and the right pane is the property bar for inspecting attributes of selected components. New order creation process. Navigate to the Routine Works menu and select New Order from the leftmost option. The software will initialize a new order. Upon saving, a prompt will appear to input order details. Select the respective customer and click OK to finalize the save. Alternatively, you may consolidate saves after completing the entire window design. How to create sliding window. Select the rectangle tool from the left function bar. Adjust the window dimensions on the drawing panel. Use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom in/out and select the desired window outline. Configure product specifications via the right property bar, including product series, color, with separate selections for interior and exterior finishes, hardware kit configuration, glass specifications, and other parameters. After finalizing product attributes, proceed to draft window partitions. Select the central glass area and add sashes using the toolbar. Modify the number of sashes and specify the position of operable sashes using the up/down arrow keys. Click OK to complete the sliding window drafting, then proceed to save. To create a second window type, here's the step-by-step process for drawing a casement window. Similarly, select the desired window outline from the drawing panel via the left side toolbar. Navigate to the property bar to configure profile specifications, color, interior and exterior finishes separately, and hardware components as required. Return to the drawing panel after finalizing the configurations, then select the central glass area. Add mullions through the toolbar and adjust their dimensions accordingly. Select the glass section where the sash needs to be installed, then add the sash using the toolbar. The casement window drafting is now complete. Proceed to save the project. Next, let's draft a special shaped window. Follow these steps, create a new window type and use the special shaped window drawing tool to sketch the outline of the desired irregular window. Right-click to close the shape. This completes the basic outline of the special shaped window. Adjust the dimensions, set the main height to 1,500 mm and the left side height to 1,300 mm. To add a mullion, vertical style, in the middle, select the central glass area and use the vertical style tool from the left side toolbar to draw it. For horizontal rails, transoms, select the glass area again and draw the transoms, then adjust the partition dimensions as needed. Select the section where the sash needs to be installed and use the sash tool to draw the window sash. The special shaped window drafting is now complete. Proceed to save the project. If the profile configuration of the currently drafted window is the same as the previous one, there's no need to modify the settings in the property bar. Once all window types in the order are fully designed and saved, you can use the printing function under Routine Works to print the drawings and export them in your preferred PDF format. 3D and node functions. Locate the 3D function and node function in the Project Production menu on the main interface. Use the 3D function to view the 3D effect of the drafted window types. Drag the mouse to inspect every angle of the window. Click Open to preview the window's opening effect. Hide any component to view the full assembly cross-section of the window. Utilize the node function to check the horizontal and vertical nodes of the window type. There is a retail quote function in the Routine Works toolbar on the main interface. Through this feature, you can view the sales price of each individual order. After accessing the sales quote module, you can batch set the sales prices of profiles. You can also modify their wastage ratio, as well as adjust the unit price of each hardware item and the glass price individually. Once adjustments are completed, click Quotation in the top left corner to configure additional chargeable items. You can enable or disable specific chargeable items, and adjust their unit prices separately. After all settings are finalized, the quote will be generated directly. Beyond generating sales quotes for orders, the software also supports cost analysis and generates cost analysis reports, a comprehensive cost analysis report for the entire order. Individual window cost analysis reports, including separate reports for Window 3, Window 2, and Window 1, corresponding to each individual window type in the order. Orders with completed sales quotes are visible under the Sales Orders menu item in the Project Production toolbar on the main interface. Select the order that is eligible for payment collection and click Submit Order. The order status will turn blue, signifying it is ready for payment processing. Once the order turns blue, it enters a locked state. No modifications or adjustments can be made to the order unless the locked status is revoked. After submitting the order, navigate back to the Project Production toolbar and select Order Payment. Refresh the order list to view which orders are eligible for payment processing. Select the order with pending receivables and click Create New for payment entry. Enter the payment amount and other relevant payment details, then click OK. The order status will switch to black upon successful payment recording. You can check the payment history through the Payment Details section to review all past transactions. When production is required for customer-confirmed orders, locate the Report Center in the software's Project Production toolbar. Select the window types you need to generate statistics for. You will then access the Order Report Center. First, we conduct profile statistics by double-clicking Profile BOQ Report. The software will automatically compile all profiles requiring optimization. Profile adjustment and optimization calculation modify the length of any raw material directly if adjustments are needed. For multiple materials of similar specifications, duplicate an existing row to add new entries efficiently. After completing all settings, initiate the optimization calculation. The software will automatically generate material cutting plans. View the optimized cutting scheme for each profile via the Profile Cutting Optimization report after calculation. Close the list to obtain a comprehensive summary of all profiles. The software will also calculate and compile the total usage of hardware components. Production report and label generation. Generate various production-related reports, Profile BOQ report frame, Profile BOQ report sash, and other semi-finished product summaries. Create customizable labels while generating these semi-finished summaries. These labels can be directly printed using a label printer. Access the Glass BOQ report to view detailed calculations for every glass panel, including its corresponding window type and position. For special-shaped glass, the software can directly generate specialized